Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and we're going to show you how to replace the ambient air temp sensor. It's going to be a very easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So we're going to go ahead and take off the grill. There's a couple push clips. We got one here, one located on this side, and then there's some located down in the bottom area there. Okay? So let's see if I can get my hand down right here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to try to lift up the center area. There we are. Grab it, lift it up out of there. That's what it looks like. When you go to lock it, you just press this in and it pushes these tabs out. Okay? We'll set that aside. Might as well start on one end here. There we are. Same as the first. I'm just going to come along. There's one in the center. There's a little clip right here. This one to get the grill off of here. We're just going to slide it, but we won't worry about that yet. Come over here. Lift that up. Another clip. There we are. Cool. Okay. 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. That's what it looks like. A little rusted. Not worried about it. Another one, same as the first. So now we've got a little clip right here. And what you do for these, there's a little tab on the left side. Push that. Okay. And then push that. There we are. Come along this way. Do the same thing for this one. Give that a little push. Okay. You're gonna need a little hooky tool. Right down there, there's a little white clip. And all the way over there, there's another little white clip. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it in here. Push that out. See if I can get this one. I'll show you what these clips look like. That's what they look like right there. Nothing too special about them. I mean, they're very special. I don't find any clips out there. There we are. Now we've removed our grill assembly. So here we are, friends. We've got the facial grill assembly off. Right here is our ambient air temp sensor. All we're gonna do, let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna take my little tool, pop it out of here. Okay. Now we can see what's going on. We got a little squeeze tab right there. You're gonna squeeze it, grip it, and pull it, okay? You always wanna take a look, make sure there's no funny colors in there. There's no browns or greens or blues or anything like that. This looks pretty great. So here's our sensor. Now you can go ahead and replace it if you want. All right, now we're going to take our connector, slide it right in, give it a little tug, feels pretty great. Take this, clip it in. There we are. Now we're clear to move on to the next step. All right, so we've got our grill. We want to make sure all of our push clips are in. We've got one here. I've got two more. One goes right here. One goes over on this side. Cool. We'll get everything lined up. These long prongs go inside the bottom holes there. And And then these little clippies go in the top one. Let's give it a little bonk. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Cool. Okay, 2 screws. Just get them started. Awesome. We've got our push clips. Booyah. Okay, put some down there. We'll grab those ones in a minute. Come right up along the top here. 3 clips left, 3 holes left. Just get it lined up here. 1. 2. I can get my hand in here. Looks good. Okay, let's tighten these up. Perfect. We'll clean up our mess. Good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.